Welcome to the video tour of this application. That is this particular thing is the real-time monitoring dashboard for like the RPC analytics. So basically, what it does is it gets a request like a JSON RPC request for the Ethereum blockchain environment from a user, and it shows a dashboard according to it, like the total request, what's the success rate, what's the total error, and the average response time to provide back the response. And here are different charts for it, like the request volume, response time, the provider performance, and currently there are four provider that is currently active in this application that are Infura, LLM, Llama, RPC, Alchemy, a quick note. And for all the basic stuff, this is the cache performance system overview. What's the health rate of it? And from this, you can directly check our method from this tester from the front end. So like they are particularly cached and not cached. Cache thing to check this particular whole performance out. So testing the not cached first, so as you can test it as it's a success with the block hash. As you can see there, the request has increased to 3 and the graph is showing 0 errors with request 3. And as you can see, it hit the alchemy, I guess. So the chart is properly showing that feature. And for the and as it was a not cast thing, there are only two misses for it. So get blocked by number, it's a cast thing, and as you can see, it was a hit from this, so the cast performance increased. As you will go on by testing it, the cast performance will increase significantly as it's the same method again and again. And for the code part of it, we have followed the front end with the Next.js and TypeScript stuff. And for the back end, we have also followed TypeScript as it was a mandatory thing here. So telling it it's an index.tx. We have made a class like all the things are separated in the modular components. So it's a main application where the load balancer will start from the class RPC load balancer, and and it will initialize all the stuff like the it's a production environment or a normal virtual environment, and then loading the config from the file configs like the cache TTL, and what are the provider with their API keys and all. And these are the basic, as I said, it's a modular component. There's an admin index.tx, cache index.ts, circuit breaker, config, logger correlation, and index provider index.tx. Or all are there in a separate component, separate classes that emits an event emitter, and there's a listener to it. So the whole thing, the front end and the back end part is made modular as the time limit was there. Uh, this is the best I have made. So you can visit the whole application as the link provided in the Google Forms. So yeah, thanks.